Welcome back to NextLux Reviews. Hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most jaw-dropping creations in the world of luxury motorhomes, the McLane Motorhome 2027. The first thing that strikes you about the McLane Motorhome 2027 is its presence. This isn't a boxy RV like the ones you've seen on highways before. No, this is a statement of wealth, power, and futuristic engineering. At the front, you're greeted by a massive panoramic windshield that curves seamlessly into the aerodynamic body. It's not just for looks. It provides the driver with an incredibly wide and clear view of the road ahead, perfect for both highways and scenic routes. Right in the center, the McLane Company logo glows elegantly in chrome and gold accents, surrounded by a futuristic grille design with hidden air intakes. Flanking the logo are razor-sharp LED headlights that look like the eyes of a beast at night. The side profile is where the motorhome shows its futuristic DNA. You get flush automatic doors, sleek chrome trims, and expandable slide-out sections that extend at the push of a button, turning the motorhome into a spacious living suite when parked. The 22-inch alloy wheels are diamond-cut with glowing LED rings that light up at night, something you'll never see on any ordinary RV. At the rear, a full-length LED tail strip stretches across the width, giving it a spaceship-like look. Integrated cameras replace traditional side mirrors, giving drivers a 360-degree view. Overall, the exterior screams luxury plus future tech combined. Step inside, and you instantly realize this isn't just transportation. It's a luxury home on wheels. The living area welcomes you with Italian leather sofas, soft touch panels, and smart ambient lighting built into the walls and ceiling. With one touch on the central control tablet, you can change the lighting from a relaxing warm gold to a cool, futuristic blue. A massive OLED entertainment screen folds down from the ceiling, perfect for movies, gaming, or even Zoom calls while on the go. Surround sound speakers are hidden inside the walls, giving you theater-quality audio. The windows are smart glass. At one touch, they switch from crystal clear to privacy tinted. Imagine parking near a beach or mountain and instantly turning your walls into panoramic glass views. Storage is seamless, with hidden compartments under the sofa and side tables. Every inch of this motorhome has been designed to blend luxury with practicality. This living area isn't just a space to relax, it's a statement lounge, perfect for entertaining guests on the road. Next up is the kitchen area, and trust me, this is unlike any RV kitchen you've ever seen. You get a smart induction stove, touch control microwave, premium refrigerator, and even a built-in coffee maker. Cabinets are soft close with golden handles, and the countertops are made from quartz composite, giving a rich marble-like appearance. There's also a wine cooler and hidden storage spaces that slide out silently when tapped. Despite being compact, this kitchen is designed to provide everything you'd need for a long road trip, and it looks so stylish that you'd never believe it's inside a motorhome. The best part? Everything is voice-controlled. Just say, "Make me a coffee," and the system gets it ready. The washroom is pure luxury. Forget tiny RV bathrooms. This one feels like a 5-star hotel spa. It has a full standing shower with rainfall system, heated floors, golden trimmed fittings, and even an electronic mirror with built-in LED lighting. The water system is smart. You can preset your shower temperature and pressure before stepping in. There's a compact toilet with automatic cleaning functions and space-efficient shelves for toiletries. The washroom walls have anti-fog smart glass panels that give both privacy and a futuristic look. Honestly, calling this a washroom feels wrong. It's more like a luxury spa on wheels. Move further inside, and you enter the bedroom suite. This space is pure comfort and privacy. The centerpiece is a king-size bed with memory foam and luxury linens. Above, you get a sky-roof window that lets you stargaze at night or wake up to natural sunlight. On the side walls, you'll find foldable 4K entertainment screens, ambient lighting, and hidden charging ports. A walk-in closet section offers enough space for designer outfits, shoes, and travel essentials. What makes the bedroom stand out is its soundproofing. Even if the motorhome is moving at high speeds, you'll feel like you're in a luxury hotel suite with complete silence. The overall vibe is intimate, relaxing, and designed to give travelers the feeling of carrying a penthouse suite on wheels. The McLane Motorhome 2027 isn't just luxury, it's also a performance beast. Under the hood, it features a hybrid electric powertrain producing over 600 horsepower. Despite its massive size, this motorhome accelerates smoothly and drives effortlessly on highways. Thanks to adaptive air suspension, the ride feels like floating on air, even on rough roads. Autonomous driving features include self-parking, adaptive cruise control, and highway autopilot, meaning long drives require minimum effort. Safety is top-notch with radar, LiDAR, and 360-degree cameras, making sure blind spots don't exist. It also includes emergency braking and lane assist systems. Efficiency is surprisingly good. With hybrid technology, you can expect ranges of up to 700 miles on a single tank plus battery charge. Combo: this motorhome is built not just for travel, but for luxury touring across the USA without compromise. Now let's talk price. The McLane Motorhome 2027 starts at $1.8 million USD, with fully customized versions going beyond $2.5 million. Yes, it's expensive, but let's be real, this motorhome isn't for everyone. It's designed for the ultra-rich, celebrities, and entrepreneurs who want luxury mobility without sacrificing comfort. For the price, you're getting a futuristic design that looks like a rolling spaceship, a full luxury home interior with bedroom, living room, kitchen, and spa-like washroom, high-tech performance with hybrid power and autonomous driving, exclusive features that put it in a league of its own. In short, the McLane Motorhome 2027 is not just a vehicle, it's a status symbol, a moving luxury lifestyle, and a glimpse into the future of road travel. Closing cinematic shots of the motorhome cruising along a coastal USA highway at sunset. And that wraps up our full review of the McLane Motorhome 2027, the ultimate billionaire toy on wheels. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to NextLux Reviews, and turn on the bell, so you never miss our future reviews of luxury cars, motorhomes, and concept autos. Drop a comment below and tell us, if you had $2 million, would you buy this motorhome? Or would you go for a luxury supercar instead? Thanks for watching NextLux Reviews, where we bring you the future of luxury, one review at a time. Until next time, keep dreaming big and travel.